Layered Snowflakes Gel Nail Art Tutorial by Hotpinkzebrapolish.
Hi everyone! In today's video I'm going to be showing you kind of a winter way to use your jelly polishes. I know that this past summer jelly nails were like the biggest rage ever, and there's so many jelly polishes that are now sitting on shelves because what do you do with them in the winter? Most people aren't so neon in the winter. I personally don't follow these types of rules, but I decided to make a design that uses those jelly colors and still has a winter vibe. So I've got 6 different colors that I'm wearing, and I will be showing you all of these 6. That range from green, orange, pink, blue, and purples, and they are snowflakes, and it's got a gorgeous glitter background with the snowflakes on top and different kind of layer techniques. So I hope you guys like this as much as I do, and don't forget to click subscribe to see all my future videos as well.
Begin by painting all of your nails with a silver glitter gel polish. So now here are the jelly polishes that I will be using, and so I just will be showing you these. First off, get them out of the box. If you are me, that is probably the hardest part of this whole thing. Whenever packaging is involved, I struggle. I think it's probably my nails. What can I say? Anyways, here are the colors. There is a nice little range in there. So I'm going to, here I'll just show you how the packaging, how the bottle is for this, the brighter blue color. And it's just a really nice, kind of a crystal color. So then I'm going to take, and the first thing, on top of your silver gel polish, paint a white snowflake. So you can paint the snowflake anywhere you want, any way you want, however you like to do snowflakes. I personally try to make at least a few different snowflake designs within a snowflake set, just so that, snowflakes are all individual, so you don't want to make them all the same. I don't, though, create every single snowflake the same because that would just be exhausting. I do some repeats. So just create a couple different ones, especially each nail should have its own set of snowflakes. Then apply a thin layer of that jelly polish, whichever color you're using, or if you're like me and using all of them, and then cure it, and then take, and on top of that jelly color, paint another snowflake. This is so easy and so simple. It's just these layered snowflakes. One thing I do want to mention though, if you guys missed it in the title, is that this will be the very first Melody Minute. So there will be a cute little video of my sweet baby and the end of this video. And a couple pictures. She saw Santa. It's pretty cute. So if you guys are interested, definitely watch that. So then otherwise, back to the nail design at hand. I'm just going to show you all the different colors that are in the set. So I showed you the green one. This is the lighter, brighter shade of blue. And then there's a purple. The purple is probably my favorite, not gonna lie. I'm a big fan of purple. Actually, the purple and the green together could create an awesome set. And then here's the pink, which is super, super neon, like wear glasses because it is amazing. It's so bright. And then the orange, and the orange has the least amount of pigment in it, but it is definitely a nice soft jelly color. And then apply a layer of gel top coat over the whole thing, and that's it. I know, really quick, simple video. I just thought, just a way to use up some jelly polishes that may possibly be collecting dust, and that's no fun. It's good to use all of your colors in your arsenal. So I hope you guys like this as much as I do, and please share recreations with me on Facebook or Instagram. I'd love to see them, and stay tuned to take a peek at Melody.
We're gonna